This 8-band score essay has been written for you by IELTS Lavin, your online IELTS instructor. Like this video if you found it useful, subscribe for updates and comment for queries and clarifications. Take a moment to read the question. Some children spend hours every day on their smartphones. Why is this the case? And do you think that this is a positive or a negative development? This essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. The introduction, para 1, where I discuss the first question, para 2, where I discuss the second question, and the conclusion. For this essay, I feel that children using smartphones for many hours is a negative development. Form the introduction in 3 steps. 1. Rewrite the topic in your own words. 2. Give your opinion. And 3. Mention what you will write in this essay. In the current times, it is often observed that children regularly use smartphones for many hours almost every day. I feel that this trend results in a lot of negative outcomes, and in this essay, I will discuss the reasons for my opinion. Note that linking words have been highlighted in red. Do use them in your essays for better band scores. Form para 1 in 5 steps. First, para opening statement. The second, third and fourth will be your views, and the fifth para will be a closing line. There are many reasons for children being addicted to mobile phones for prolonged durations. To begin with, since these phones have many features for communicating, youngsters spend time staying in touch with each other via text messaging and social media services. Moreover, the games that are included in these phones encourage players by rewarding them to continue playing for longer hours. And lastly, video-based applications provide viewers with hours of entertainment by way of cartoons and movies. Thus, these are the few of the causes of children being occupied with mobile phones for many hours. Form para 2 in 5 steps. First, a para opening line. Second, third and fourth, your views as well as an example. And 5, a para closing line. On the other hand, there are many consequences of this behavior. Importantly, children tend to miss out on precious study time, which is essential for their intellectual growth. Also, being too much on the phone limits the time that these children have for sporting activities, and this results them having poor health. In fact, a survey conducted by internet-based researchers revealed that the number of young internet users has increased significantly in the last decade. All of these indicate the bad aspects of excessive use of mobile phones having smart capabilities. And finally, form the conclusion in 3 steps.